I'm Lydia from Jack and the Wolfe in the UK, and today I'm going to be using the KMS Conscious Style Cleansing Mist. It's a new take on dry shampoo, and it's a wet formula that cleanses the hair and scalp without leaving a white residue. It's really easy to use. You can sling it in your gym bag, use it post-workout or in between washes. Whilst dry shampoo is fantastic, sometimes you don't want to create that texture and volume. You just want a deep clean, and this is perfect for that. So as you can see, it looks fresh. I have to say it feels and smells amazing. I hope you like it. For more videos like this, check out the KMS Pro YouTube channel.